just about 120 square meter, but they are building this little house. So these are a sample of a tiny house. But I was giving you updates of this house when it's as it gradually finish on in the future. You're looking at here at my neighbor's house. It's made of just I-beams. There's no columns made of concrete. It's just all I-beams. And the walling will be made of Hardiplex double walling, but they are installing this C-pourings to stick on the Hardiplex. Oo, no. Ano ko naman, tanaw ko sa ilam dudong ha. So I'll have to look inside as I said. So you can see the framing is made of J-pourings. 2-inch 2x1 J-pourings, and then the columns and the whole frame is I-beam. I-beam, that the one that they use here is about 2,500 to 2,700. This one. Ang gitason na ning I-beam ba pila utso ga? Kaning I-beam ba paliton? 20? So when you buy this I-beam, because this type that you buy, I will be giving you some prices of this. Pila dong? Ang presyo? So 20 feet. 20 feet is the length of this I-beam, but I will give you the proper price because they're just guessing as of the moment. But this is one of the house designs that you can do just using I-beams and J-pourings like this, riveted J-pourings, and then they will have 1/2 Hardiplex as floorings on the top, and they will have a spiral stairs, and they have a CR on the corner, just a small CR. Tanawa ko no dong, kaya to ko no nang. So I'll be showing you the plan. Taragam. So this is the ground floor plan. So you can see dara ega there. The scale 120. So ang CR dito dapita.
Okay.
So this is where the CR is. One little shower and one CR on the corner, and then there's the spiral stairs, like they say, going up, and this is ref area, then the windows, and this is the murag iyang sala diri dong no. Oo, nya mo ni sa taas.
Second floor, mo ni bintana dito.
So this is the second floor, one bedroom. So got a little terrace on the side, and so there's a one bedroom, and that's the spiral case, and that's the roofing. So pilay kontrata ani dito? Pilay pakyaw ni tanan?
400 to 500.
So around 4 to 500,000 pesos was their price here. 500,000 pesos to finish. Pilay square meter ni tanan ga?
Ano siya? 4 meters. Yeah, to 3 meters.
So the house size is 4 meters to 3 meters up and down. Gamoy ra pero cute siya. Then you can tile the Hardiplex on the second floor. So dali ra siya dong no.
Dali ra. Ingon mo ang engineer dali ra to ani.
But it's a fast and quick house to make. Mga duwar tingin mo kabuan ani.
O pupusan gid mayo. Putol mo kay adto ko speakers.
Diha pikakin sa ila dito.
Oh, yung dito na kami may trabaho yung niya. Ako may design sa ako sa may na.
Oo ba? Oh, may di ka mo welding dong.
Daan ko tanang. Welder, plumbing, electrical.
So
Ini kung ano anong
pero nagtrabaho kag kumpanya
Wala.
na nyo ha? Oh, freelance ka? Pwede ra kag hiron?
mm.
Kaya nata ko ipatrabaho ni mong kuan.
Okay, nami ko igipakyaw sa electrical nasa opo na tuon ko sa badlong no. Electrical lagi ya balay bungalow bay nami.
So
Tuon pa to na ko.
so you can hire him. I'll get his dagay ko si mong number bi kay naa niya mo kuan nimo.
Kuan
Ma-hire nimo.
eh
Nakay kuan ga tempa ha. I'll just get his number. So if you wanna hire him, because he done this plan here. So you can see this is just a small house made of I-beams and J-pourings. 1 bedroom upstairs, 1 small kitchen, and 1 small lounge, and he got you can see he got a parking lot on the side. So the whole project is contracted for 500,000 pesos finish, and they tile upstairs, they tile downstairs. So this is one project that you can have in mind in building small houses. Dapat datanan sige ga mas
electrical,
maayo.
plumbing, piping,
Crispin. Pait de kab sag asa dong kay na niya magpahimo nimo. So he's given me his number and contact, so if you wanna, because he can work all roofing, building, no tiling. Okay.
Atop, latira.
Oh, because he's mostly for the roofing, but he knows how to work on electrics as well. So there, he done this himself, just a helper. So J-pourings on the I-beam. So the columns are I-beams. The floors are I-beams. So no, the floors on the top is I-beams. So doubled on that side. Cute kay siya. But mas nindot siya sa condo. So they will be making the spiral staircase here. Then this is the door area. So if this is gonna be finished, they're estimating this about 2 weeks, 2 months. So the house will be done, tiled and all, with a plan. So you can see the footings on it. It is raised up from like a slanting profile. So there's just a little pile of hollow blocks just to go up from the slightly slanting lot, so it goes up, and they fill it up before they build the whole frame. So this is one of the housing options you can buy. I'm just giving you a housing option that you can think about when you want to build your house, especially my OFW brothers. When they come home, they want to build a quick house, strong, not made of concrete, only a few concrete on the bottom, and on the just to level up your flooring, and then your second floor would be just be made of I-beams. Just about 120 square meter, but they are building this little house. So these are a sample of a tiny house, but I will be giving you updates of this house when it's as it gradually finish on in the future.